Meow Cat is a cat who lives in a big house with a long, dark hallway. One night Meow Cat was awoken by a strange sound, so she grabbed her flashlight and went to investigate. She crept down the hallway, being careful not to make too much noise. Then out of nowhere, a mouse darted across the floor. In the distance, she spotted something moving, so she crouched down, ready to pounce. Startled, Meow Cat let out a yowl and jumped up onto a chair. She watched as the mouse disappeared into the darkness. Determined to catch the little guy, Meow Cat chased him down the hall and into his hole. But the sneaky mouse had already made his escape. Of course, she had scared herself half to death, but the look on her face says it all. As the sun came up, Meow Cat could finally see what a mess she had made.